March the 10th. Beautiful weather outside. Not often you'll see this window open, but today we've got Rhino Fabrication, Jeremy Marcy, our oldest son here. And right there, you can see there is the airline hose. The hose is fixing to, or the airline is fixing to come through. And so let's go outside and see our progress. We'll sure like this nice weather, but let's go see what he's up to. Yeah, we're making progress. Jeremy, our oldest son here, putting the airline in. Overdue. Been here since September 2014. Been dragging an air hose out of this pressure building all the way down and around for many a year, and this is going to be a great plus, and we'll show you a little bit more. We're coming up on that other video where we put the roof on. We're going to be coming underneath and going right into that wall and turn down. We'll pick you back up here when we get plumbed in and on the inside. All right, getting ready to make the... Hey Houston, we've got air in the shop since 2014 September. This is awesome. And then I'm gonna end up running another dryer across that wall, but yeah. Awesome, yeah. But I'm gonna end up running a bar because I never opened that window over there, and another dryer, and nice aisle go to the front. All right, for the 10th of March, we're wrapped up. Thank you, Jeremy. All right, looks good. Awesome.